Nature. Myself Neetu Rani Hota. My husband's name is Devasish Hota. I am from Jaipur, Odisha. Today I got a golden opportunity to share my feelings and gratitude to Dr. Nature. First of all, I would like to congratulate to Dr. Nature who discovered a marvelous product which is more useful for all the diseases. My husband Devasish Hota was suffering from kidney stone since 9 years. We went many places for a checkup like Barampur, Bhubaneswar, Vizag, even in Jaipur. All the doctors advised to do operation because it was too big, 20 size. But my husband was fearing to do operation, so he was eating allopathy medicines prescribed by doctor. After eating allopathy medicines also, the stone size was not reduced, still 20 size. Then one day my brother was suggest me to contact Mr. Susan Tripathi sir of Dr. Nature. Then I talked to Mr. Susan Tripathi sir of Dr. Nature. He helped me a lot. He explained about the Dr. Nature medicines and its benefits. Then I started to give Dr. Nature's product, apple cider vinegar plus green tea, wheat plus barley grass juice, kidney support, acid no briti, syrup, everything to my husband. Mr. Susan Tripathi sir, prescribed by doctor, he told me to give 3 to 4 months all the syrup, everything he explained about the medicines. Then I started to give. After 3 to 4 months, we plan to do ultrasound. Then recently, June 8th, 2024, we did ultrasound of my husband. Then we got a report. After getting a report, me and my husband got stunning because um, that before which one I have the report before report. This is the last year report. Last year report. This is the last year report. In this last year report, it was 20 mm stone. It was 20 stone. But now, which one recently we ultrasound we did, this is 3.6 it is reduced 20 to 3.6. So it is a miracle of Dr. Nature. Once again, I am thankful to Dr. Nature, and me and my husband is very much happy to see this report. At last, I request to all the viewers to use this product. It is very much useful for all the diseases. Thankful to Dr. Nature. Heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Nature. Thank you. Namaste.